just back up your face a little bit from the screen, just a little bit. You know, kind of creeping me out. Anyway, good morning. Well, we definitely stole all your guys' nice weather, wherever you are. Well, so far so good. Day's been going pretty smoothly. Tammy went and did her doctor's appointment this morning and went and got some stuff she needed for her passport, so we'll be doing that soon. But other than that, yeah, pretty good day so far. I'm just heading home to take care of Corbin and feed and water him in reverse, if that makes sense.
Monday, folks. It's the end of the day as usual, and well, I had an interesting day. I had to go to the doctor to get my physical, and everything seems to be okay. There's a few issues that we're addressing, like the quitting the smoking and losing the weight, and maybe possibly skin cancer. Nice. But honestly, skin cancer is one of the most treatable cancers ever. It's about this little thing up here on my forehead. It's my little nubbin, my parasitic twin.
Squirrel? You see a squirrel? No? You're not going to go get it. Come on. Hey, no. Apparently a bird hit the window in the garage, and we were trying to get Corbin to look at his tall grass, maybe sniff it out, but unfortunately he didn't see anything. So hopefully it's okay. We've had birds hit the windows before. So apparently the bird is inside the garage, so I'm going to try to save it. Hopefully it won't freak out. See him right there?
No, I don't see him at all. Oh.
You okay? You get lost? He's scared. See if I can't get him out of here.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Oops. Oh. That way?
Hello, little guy.
Here he goes.
He was just stunned a little bit.
Done with you, and I'll make sure the teacher understands that.
What do you think you're doing? Huh? You just being lazy?
He was doing that last night.
Corbin's favorite spot to sit. He just sits there and watches TV. Watches us. Well, Tammy's plant finally bloomed. Isn't that pretty? And we got a moon and a pretty sunset. Update bird rescue. Went out there and he was still in the tree in the same spot for like 2 hours. But he seems like he's better now. I went out there and tried to put my monopod up there kind of close to him to see how he was doing. And he flew up a little bit higher in the tree, so he seems like he's okay. He just got a bump on his head, I guess. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know I keep going back and forth on whether to make these a little bit longer, but there isn't a whole lot going on during the week, so yeah. Anyway, Blog TV Wednesday. We'll see you guys there. That's, well, it's a day and a half away. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night.